Greetings! Today's video is a bit different. You see, I was recently asked by a company named Anthrodesk if I would like to test and review their standing desk and ergonomic mat. I thought about it for a moment and realized that this might be a really good idea. Most of the work I do is traditionally done while sitting, whether it's editing videos or drawing digitally on the computer, or painting and drawing traditionally at my art table. I end up sitting for many hours every day, and that results in upper and lower back pain, as well as shoulder pain. The standing desk and mat are said to help with a healthy lifestyle, reduce back pain, improve posture, and increase productivity. I could benefit from all of these improvements, so I asked myself, what if it's best for me to have a standing desk? I ordered the desk and mat through Anthrodesk's Amazon store, and they came in fast. The desk came in its own box and the mat came in another box. For the desk, some assembly is required. There is everything needed inside the box. The desk was easy to unpack and quite straightforward and easy to assemble. The only minor issue I ran in was that the Allen wrench included with the screws was a tiny bit too big. Being limited in tools, I was still able to tighten the screws by holding the wrench at an angle and being patient about it. The mat doesn't require any assembly. It has dense foam on the top, a wooden base, and a layer of non-slip material at the bottom. It's also slightly curved. This is meant to keep you active during work and help boost one's metabolism. There was no surprises setting the desk in its location either. I had to shuffle a few things around, but that's it. The only part of this new setup that I really noticed is that now my screen is closer to my face. I checked to make sure it's within the healthy distance a screen should be from one's eyes, and everything is good. But it was still the most remarkable change from before. Each level of the desk is adjustable, so I can really fine-tune the height I want everything to be. Setting up the mat is basically just having it on the floor. Easy. At the moment of recording this, I've been using the desk and mat for about 3 weeks. It was hard at first. I used to spend so much time sitting that my body was used to that. It wasn't used to suddenly spending most of my time standing. As my body readjusted, I experienced pain in my lower back and feet, but fortunately the pain diminished gradually and is completely gone by now. I think it was normal. After all, some of my muscles needed to adjust and grow to support this new working position. Overall, I still felt much better from the new setup compared to before. I don't spend the full day standing at the desk either. My office is currently set up that I stand for computer work and I sit down for painting. I can switch from one to the other very easily. This way of doing things feels a lot more balanced. Also, it makes me focus on working when I'm at the computer. I feel a lot less tempted to noodle around now that I'm working in a more active position. The mat is pretty great. It's comfy and I love that I can move when I'm on it. It really helps me channel extra energy that would otherwise make me lose focus in what I'm doing. One detail though. Be super careful about squishing your toes under the mat. It happened to me within 5 minutes of setting it up, of course, and it's really painful. I try to be aware of hands, feet, and paws that could possibly be squished when I shuffle my weight on the mat. So what do I think of this desk and mat? Well, I'm impressed. It did exactly what it said it would. I find myself 3 weeks later with better productivity and focus and less back pain. I also feel a lot more physically balanced. in the sense that I don't feel like some of my basic muscles are underworked and atrophied from being in a sitting position for way too much time. It also helps me create a boundary that makes the computer more for work and less for wasting time. I was sent these products for free in exchange for a review, but my opinions are my own. I'm genuinely happy with this setup and I'm very grateful to Anthrodesk for reaching out to me. I'll have links to their storefront and to the products I tested out in the description below. If you feel these could improve your daily life, I encourage you to check them out. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.